Well, hello there, and happy Chinese New Year. Guess what? It's Year of the Rabbit, and I'm going to be making something to celebrate. I'm making orange chicken casserole. I just love orange chicken, and I learned you could make it as a casserole. I gotta try it. I've sprayed a baking dish. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of chopped broccoli and 1 chopped onion. I'm adding a pound of diced cooked chicken. I'm adding some ready rice. You could use any type. I'm using fried rice. Time to make the orange chicken sauce. In a jug, I need 1.5 cups of orange juice, a can of chicken broth, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of sriracha. Mix that all together and pour on top. I'm going to cover it with foil, and I'm going to bake it at 375 for about 45 minutes. At the halfway point, I'm going to give it a good stir. It will be a little soupy. It's out. Let's let it cool for 10 minutes. Orange chicken casserole. It's great. Happy Chinese New Year! What do you get if you spill tea on a rabbit? A hot cross bunny.